Now, we're talking today a lot about success criteria rather than lesson objectives. So there's a difference between them. Learning objective is broken down into mini goals or ingredients. These are called success criteria. They make it clear to learners what they need to do to achieve the lesson objective. The lesson objective shows the skill that they are learning. The success criteria shows what they are doing. So the difference between what it is that they are doing to achieve the learning objective. So saying that they are going to give a skill is one thing. So the lesson objective is the skill they are learning. But the success criteria is how do they achieve that skill? How is it that, what are the steps to get there in order to achieve that lesson objective? So